All right, so it's a beautiful Sunday. We are going to take out the XR100. Should be a good time. Go ahead and film it for everyone. Yep, let's get to it. So we're just cruising down the local spot. Super fun little track. Should only take a couple minutes to get there. All right, so we made it to the little track. Let's go ahead, do a couple laps. Start with this little double over here. Angle that a little bit better. Go, baby. Oh yeah. Sandy burn. Got the woods. Variety. Oh, take it slow. Oh yeah. Nice and tight, perfect for the 100. Right here, just sandy. Woo! Go to the other whoop section, jump in there, Oh yeah, I see it. Yes, sir. Buggy. Push off. Alright, let's hit the big jump. See if we get clean. Yes, sir. Oh! Let's get for this one. Yeah. Woo! Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do a couple more laps with no cameras, so get to enjoy the time a little bit. So beautiful day, beautiful dirt. All right, hope you guys enjoyed, and safe riding. Get out there and ride.